Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. All right, I'm going to try to record this as I go. You might hear roosters, you might hear dogs, you might hear kids. You never know what you're going to hear. But we're going to try it. I can already tell you're going to hear the dogs. The little pitter-patter of their feet. Oh, I'm talking about you, huh? So it is time for May Box from Resin Mold Box. I have a link in my description to get yourself a discount code for a subscription or just a regular mold. You could try one box. You can do a 6-month. You can do a year. You can do whatever you want. So let's see what this is. Sunbeams and Heartstrings, May 2026 mold box. May your May be filled with light. I wonder if they'll have any Mother's Day ones in here. Let's find out. All right. Oh, the Mama Heart Circle Charm. Let's see if we can find. Oh, that's big. That is big. They said charm. I figured it was going to be something little. I like that. It's like a coaster size. What does that hold? 1.7 ounces. I like it. I like it. Well, let's see what's next. We have the Ribbed Romance Heart Tray. Let's see if I can find it in here. Let me move it over so we're not. Is that this? No. Oh, there it is. It's at the bottom. That holds 6.5 ounces if I can get it out. Very cute. It's like an off-center heart. I like that. That'd be great for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. Make this and maybe cricket mom in the middle or put a picture of the kids and mom in there. Very cute. What do we have next? We have the Wrapped in Love Heart Box. I saw that. Is it that one? Yes, it's that one. It holds 3.3 ounces. It's got like a little bow in there. Can you see the little bow? Does that fit on top? All right, we gotta open this one. How does that fit on there? That's not a top, is it? It is a top. Okay. That's really cute. I like that. All right. Put that one back. What does that hold? It holds 3.3 ounces. The next is the Relief Rose Oval Tray. All right, let's see if you find that one in here. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. That is nice. That's a good size. What does that hold? That holds 6.8 ounces. I like that one. Seems to be all tray ones so far. The Golden Crown Pineapple Jar. Okay, pineapple. Oh, wow. That's really big. Look at that. It's got pineapple leaves. It's got all the, whatever those are called, on the side of the pineapple. Little spiky things. What does that hold? Ooh, that holds 11 ounces. Very good. Next, another tray. The Lazy Sunday Cow Tray. Let's see if we can find that one. Oh, this must be it right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is funny. I like it. What does that hold? That holds 5.1 ounces. Oh, I like that one. All right. The Closet Chic Earring Rack. What does that look like? Is that this? Oh, okay. I saw it in there and I thought maybe it was going to be bookmarks. You got some little hangers. The rack to put the studs in, I think. And then the support arms. The closet bar. Okay, so you make the support arms. The closet bar goes across the top. You got the shelves that hold the stud earrings, and the hangers hold the wire earrings. That is cute. That's a good idea, actually. I think I might know somebody who would want this. All right, what do we have next? The Queen Bee Wall. Oh, what does that one hold? That one holds 1.9 ounces for the earring rack. The Queen Bee Wall Art. This is our bonus one. Oh, look at how cute that is. Ooh, look at all those little nooks and crannies in there. I like that one. I'm allergic to bees, but I still like it. What does that one hold? 1.9 ounces. And then for our little extras, we have some tweezers, some copper colored foil, some gold foil, and some pressed flowers. Oh, I see silver too. Wait a minute. I think I see silver hiding. Yep, we got silver too. Nice. These tweezers will come in handy too. Well, that is it for May box from Resin Mold Box. This is a good little box. It's got some good stuff in it. A lot of trays. I love the mama one. That's going to be cute for Mother's Day. I think this would be cute for Mother's Day. Put a picture of mom and the kids in there, or just the kids. That'll be really cute. The heart one will be good. Not the heart one. That's the heart one. The rose one will be good. Paint some mica powder in there. That'll be really pretty. All really good stuff. Well, if you haven't yet, get your hands on one of these boxes. You can buy these molds individually as well. So go over to their website. I have a link in my description. And get yourself one of these boxes. All right, I know what I'll be making next.